Hello, we are
Mia,
Nadia,
and Nicola.
and today we will be making yogurt of a mishka.
which in English directly translates to yogurt mice.
The ingredients we need are a lemon for lemon zest, lemon juice, powdered sugar, an egg, yogurt, flour, baking soda, vanilla sugar, and a mixer and a grater.
Let's get started.
We mix an egg, lemon juice, lemon zest, 180 grams of yogurt or 1 cup, now we mix them with a hand mixer.
Now we add 200 grams of flour, 60 grams of powdered sugar, half a bag of vanilla sugar, and half a bag of baking soda. Now we mix all of this together.
And now the mass needs to rest for 30 minutes in the fridge.
We put sunflower oil in a pot. We need about 1 liter of sunflower oil. Now we heat it up to 180 degrees Celsius.
With 2 spoons, you scoop the batter in one and place it in the oil. And you repeat this until the batter runs out.
And now they need to fry until they're gold brown. This is how they should look like. This is the finished product. Thank you for watching.
Now we need to put sunflower